All right, I made a video about this capture card that I had got a few days ago. I got this for the PS5. The other capture card I had, it wasn't 4K capable, so the picture from the PS3 wouldn't loop through it. So I had to pick this up. I think I only paid like $26 for it, but I seen somebody else's review and they said they don't come with heat sinks. So I'm gonna open it up and check it out and see what could possibly need a heat sink on there, just so it could probably like last longer, or probably give a little bit better performance or whatever. Even though I know it's only running through at 1080p, the PlayStation 5 wouldn't read this card at all. But this ain't no tutorial. It's just I like to document me doing stuff. I had another channel where I used to do stuff like this every once in a while. But for the record, 2 screws on this side. Then you got another 2 on that side. These are just Phillips. One out. This ain't my work. My workbench is upstairs where I got like a magnetic board to catch screws and stuff. I'll probably get another magnetic board and a mount to hold my phone up when I'm recording stuff like this. All right. Try to keep that one in there. One of them fell. All right. So this is the board. I'm gonna assume it slides out. Yep, the board slides out. So I'm gonna guess and say probably beneficial to put a heat sink right here. I probably shouldn't touch that with metal. Probably should put a heat sink right here, right here, and right here. I think these 2 should be all right. They do have a heat sink on this chip already. I'm not sure what the chip does. These are generic boards, so it's not like I can just search online and get the schematic or whatnot. But this one does have a heatsink. But the one the guy bought a similar one. It was the same color and everything. And I looked at his reviews, and when he opened it, it didn't have a heatsink. So I'm glad that this one does. But so I changed my mind. Probably just gonna do a heat sink right here and right here. It's probably going overboard on it. They probably don't need it. Got these little heat sinks. Usually, the Raspberry Pi kit comes with them. Or like these flat ones right here. If you got something really small, you could, cut this up into 4 when you're working with like small objects like this. So that one's gonna go there. These heat sinks cost about $13 on Amazon. They already come with the adhesive tape that can get put on there. So where I got my camera set up, I really can't see. I'm gonna peel this off. Pop that heat sink on right there. Peel that one off. Pop the other heatsink on right there. I'm just pushing it down so when I slide it back in, it'll hold on there. So they seem to be holding on nice. I could take this off, clean it, and put my own on there, but I don't know. They went through the trouble of putting it on there. I don't like how the residue is. I don't like how the residue that they put on there is just like sliding down onto the board. Let me see if you can see that. Camera focus, but it's just kind of like dripping onto the board right there, but I don't know. Alright, gonna pop this back in. I want to say this went like it slides back in just like that. Yep. These two go over there. Push this back down some. Even if you don't like know, even if you don't have the schematic or something, when you're looking at a board, those like memory modules or on the board, companies don't always put heat sinks on all of them because sometimes it's just not needed. But you're not gonna harm nothing by putting the heat sink on, as long as you have that adhesive at the bottom. It's not gonna short circuit anything. And as long as it's not obstructing like the case. Because the heatsink they had on there was actually taller, so I could have went a little bit taller and been alright. I'm not sure if I'm still on the camera, but like I said, I'm not sure if this is gonna increase the performance or anything like that, but hopefully it makes it last a little bit longer. Cause I'm gonna be using this one more than I was using my last one. Cause the other one I was just using for probably like if I was playing an emulator or something like that, low resolution things. So I'm assuming this one's gonna get a lot hotter than the last one got. But yeah, that was it. Thanks for checking out the video. Peace.